The ThePhotoStick Omni, it offers easy and secure backup of all your photos and videos on your phone and computer. And all this in just a few minutes. The ThePhotoStick Omni is a device used to store and back up the photos from a computer or a mobile phone. From the creators of PhotoStick Mobile and the ThePhotoStick. Hey guys, welcome Techi device. Here is a new review. If you new viewer of our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Osarwood has created this complete guide that covers everything which will help you understand what is the ThePhotoStick Omni, and how does ThePhotoStick Omni work. What is the ThePhotoStick Omni? The ThePhotoStick Omni is a small but powerful device that automatically finds, sorts, and safely backs up your photos, videos, and other files. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their memories safe and organized without all the hassle, time, and money it would cost to do it yourself. What features does the ThePhotoStick Omni carry? Easy to use. Simply plug in the ThePhotoStick Omni and click Go. It does everything automatically. No complicated setup, logins, or software to install. Works on all devices. Works on all computers, phones, and operating systems, including Windows, Apple, Android, Google, and more. Convenient and secure. The ThePhotoStick Omni keeps all your most important files right at your fingertips, so they're easily accessible when you need them, yet stored safely and away from hackers. Super easy to use. Simply plug the adapter into your computer, phone, or tablet and let it work. Massive storage. Up to 256 gigabytes storage capacity, easily back up 120,000 photos and videos. Advantage of the ThePhotoStick Omni. It's easy to use. Using the ThePhotoStick Omni is easier than charging my phone. You simply plug it into your computer and let it find and store your photos. There's no monthly fee. When I started saving family videos on my phone, I kept getting notifications saying my iCloud storage was full. But I didn't want to have to pay a monthly fee for more storage. With the ThePhotoStick Omni, there's just one upfront cost, no monthly fees for the same amount of storage. It takes no time at all. Whenever I tried downloading photos onto my desktop, it took hours to find and download a single image. The ThePhotoStick Omni searches my entire computer and collects videos and photos within minutes. It stores every kind of file. While I use the ThePhotoStick Omni for storing family videos and photos, it has the ability to store nearly every file type, including documents and music. It works all on its own. With the ThePhotoStick Omni, there's no Wi-Fi, batteries, or charging needed. This one tiny device collects images and videos all on its own, no matter where you are in the world or whether you have a stable internet connection. If you are sick of losing precious family photos and videos to accidental deletions and computer crashes, you should try the ThePhotoStick Omni and give it a try. You will not find anything on the market easier to use or more secure and convenient. Protect your photos and videos for generations to come and enjoy its simplicity, doing the work automatically for you. We all have enough to do, and remember, the ThePhotoStick Omni makes life a little easier with weekly updates while working on multiple devices with the 3-way adapter. No Wi-Fi needed or extra fees.